right Papa runway 22 left line up and wait, wind 240 at 12.
278 in contact.
Okay, 27 left runway.
Approach, 278 right, altimeter 30.16 ILS.
And yeah, 345 ready to go in order. Yeah, 345, you can follow the business jet there off your right side. 911, hold short runway 22 left. Hold short 22 left, yeah, 345. Skywest 6857, right at Papa 1, right on Papa, hold short, golf golf. Right on Papa 1, Papa, hold short, golf golf, Skywest 667. AC 4273, US to land runway 28 center, wind 230 at 13. Land 28, Freebird, turn to 5 heavy tower, are you with me?
Yeah, A-Flex for the 295 with you on the ILS for 28 center, official approach.
Freebird, turn on 5 heavy, travel to far across runway prior arrival, runway 28 center, turn to land, wind 230 at 15.
For land, 28 center, 295 heavy.
Okay, center. Can master the other tower, frequency now 1327. 327. Global 528 Mike Papa. Traffic is a heavy jet, 2.5 mile final for the crossing runway 22 left. Still up at a 180, clear for takeoff. And that's the layer roll. AC 4355, sliding 270 on a 28 right, number 5, clear for takeoff.
And it's 270, 28 right, number 5, clear for takeoff, AC 4355.
American 2223, O'Hare County, 28 right, number 5, line up and wait.
2223, 28 right, November 5, line up and wait.
Airplane across runway, wind 230 at 13. The time's going to be 5 minutes. Okay, right up and wait, 22 left, that is 345. AC 4223, right at Papa 2, right Papa, hold short, golf, golf.
Papa 2, Papa short, golf, golf, 42.
977, center flight level 200.
Down on 24 dash, 48 center. 235, 2.5 miles, calling
235 heavy, runway 28 center, come land, approximately turbulence, favorite arrival, heavy jet, wind 240 at 12.
Clear to land, Emirates 235, pushing.
And Global 8, Mike Papa, heading 180, contact departure frequency 133.5.
133.5, Mike Papa, bye-bye.
AC 4223, monitor the other tower, frequency now 1327.
32, approaching Sibley.
Cows 5577 O'Hare Tower, runway 27 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 27 right, Skyway 5537.
51-250-11, gust 15, runway 27 left, clear to land.
27 left, clear to land, Delta 650.
Delta, right again, Papa, hold short of golf, golf.
Delta, Delta, right, Papa, hold short, golf, golf, speed bed, 295.
Too soon, give me just a moment. Let's try that again, AC 4840, Skywest 5841, flighting 270 on a 28 right, November 5, live takeoff.
Skywest 5841, code 6 up, 28 right, November 5, flight.
Velar, sign 35, O'Hare County, 28 right, November 5, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, along with going right, we're going to 935.
AC 4355, contact Chicago departure 125.0.
125 knots and AC 4255 at the end.
By Skywest 657 O'Hare Tower, at Golf Golf, cross 28 right, hold short of Delta, contact ground 0.9 FT cross.
Alright, cross 28 right, hold short, Delta, only cross, 0.9er, Skywest 667.
American 2223, contact Chicago departure 126.62.
American 2223, 2662, good day.
Good day, Volaris 935, turn left heading 220 on a 28 right, November 5, clear for takeoff.
278, 280,
Center goes 15, runway 27 left, clear to land.
907, altimeter 30.16.
Heavy all the way forward, hold short of golf, golf. Monitor the other tower, frequency now 1327.
Hold short, golf, golf, monitor 1327, speed bed 295. For the land, 27 right, United 2039.
Spirit 872, join Zulu, contact ground 124.12.
Zulu 2412, Spirit 872, good day.
Good day.
Delta, Delta, Papa, hold short, golf, number 235. confirm.
O'Hare Tower, AC3769 is task at bus.
AC3769, when 2509, gust 15, runway 27 left for the land.
Clear to land 27 left, AC3769.
That was 5650, some left at Alpha 1, join Bravo, contact ground 49. Alpha 1, join Bravo, Scala 5650, for the ground. Hold on, take that.
On the bound 114 heavy, O'Hare Tower, traffic defying heavy distance over the numbers, Caution Runway turbulence, runway 28 center, clear to land, 12508 9er.
Runway 36, clear to land, on the ball, 114 heavy.
Going to Zulu, contact ground 124.12.
Taiwan Zulu, 24 south,
See 132.7 now.
1327, Emirates 235.
Number 5, line up away to left, 229.
Star Skywest 5424, Sibley 279.
Scout 5424, O'Hare Tower, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
27 right, clear to land, Skywest 5424. 1 Papa, hold short golf golf, 9906.
P4273, Kilo Alpha 19 Alpha.
0, clear for takeoff today, right at November 5, Alaska 29.
AC 46, 906.
Contact ground 124.12.
United 407, contact Chicago departure 126.62. 2662, 407, good day.
EC 4057, Bravo.
Center, visual approach.
Scout 5836, caution runway turbulence, favors for Alpha Heavy Jet, just over the numbers, runway 28 center, clear to land, 12408 9er, traffic made a prior cross runway, prior arrival.
Alright, Skywest at 386, cleared to land and wing turn.
Alpha Bridge.
United 977.
On the bound 114 heavy, right turn, Delta, right on Papa, hold short, golf, golf. Charlie, copy, right on Charlie, right on Papa, hold short, golf, golf.
One O'Hare Tower, 28 right, number 5, line up and wait.
28 right, number 5, line up away, Highway 281.
Alpha 1 Bravo, .9 AC 3769. Air 773, 27 right.
Cleared 773, O'Hare Tower, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Clear to land 27 right, 3773. Runway 28 right, November 5, clear for takeoff, flighting 270.
Heading 270, clear for takeoff 28 right, at November 5, United 281.
Flagship 3722, O'Hare Tower, 28 right, November 5, line up and wait. Straight right, line up and wait, flight 3722. Tower, Ace 3929, inside pass.
907.
AC 3929, 12509, goes 16, only 27 left for the land.
Turn left.
Clear land, 27 left, Ace 3929.
4896, O'Hare Tower, runway 27 right, cleared to land.
Sending to 4 right, 907. 1612.
Dallas 12, turn right heading 0, correction, turn right heading 320, 320. 320 in the heading, Skywest 612. United 906 heavy, O'Hare Tower, at Golf, cross 28 right, hold short at Delta, contact ground point 9 or empty cross. Alright, cross 28 right at Golf, hold short at Delta, ground point 9, that is 906.
United 906.
Skywest 612, contact Chicago departure 125.0.
Turn left, heading 0905.
United 345 on heading tower, runway 22 left, turn up heading 160, clear for takeoff. Just takeoff. Zoom up on 160 heading, United 345.
Tower Sky 5369, tap. Turn right, heading 320, runway 28 right, November 5, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 28 right,
American 1438, O'Hare Tower, 28 right, November 5, line up and wait.
American 1438, line up, 28 right, November 5.
Push tail south, please. Maintenance 12, thank you.
221.
Turn left, 270.
Going down to 240.
62. 220 heading, 2662, United 281, sir. American 1438, flighting 270, running 28 right, November 5, clear for takeoff.
American 1438, clear for takeoff, 28 right, November 5, 270 heading.
65, coming up on taps.
Yeah, it's 5865, when 24014, just plane, runway 27 left, turtle in.
Clear land 27 left, guys, 5865, we're punking up Bravo 19 today.
Sir.
Turn 160, 22 left, clear for takeoff for Sierra, destination 43. United 345, contact departure frequency 126.62. Yeah, 345.
Drive on 5, envoy 3606.
Flight at 3722, turn right, heading 320.
In the turn, 320, 3722.
Oh, I already did that? Okay, then you can contact departure 250.
25, nothing, good day, 3722.
9 Bravo.
Land 28 center, Mark 590.
Approach control at 843.
Gallus 5836. You can master that tower frequency 137.
Contact. Expect ILS
1327.
28 right, altimeter 30.16. ILS approach, runway 28 right, 843, 278, send 11.
How long is that?
278.
Company just over 2.5 ahead there. 38, departure 126.62. That was blocked. That's American 1438. Yes, it was 126.62 for departure. Have a good flight. Hey, thanks a lot. 2662, come on. Flight to 3722, departure 250. On the pond, 114 heavy O'Hare Tower. Cross on the 28 right at Golf Golf. Hold short of Delta. Contact ground point 9 after you cross.
Crossing 28 right at Golf Golf. Also put it ground 1 point on the phone 140.
Envoy 3606 on a 28 right, November 5, clear for takeoff, flighting 270.
Heading 270, to bed number 5, just section clear for takeoff, envoy 3606.
American 47, O'Hare Tower, 28 right, November 5, line up and wait.
28 right, November 5, line where American 47.
10 Gus 18, traffic landing, cross runway.
Envoy 22 left, 160,
2412, showing the Zulu, American 363.
Golf, short of Delta for SkyWest 5386, going to ground after we cross.
Heavy, what's your gate? On the ball 114 heavy, Roger. Cross, runway 28 left at Golf Golf, then turn right on Delta to the gate.
Alpine 11 Heavy cross, runway 28 right at Golf Golf, then taxi straight ahead and get Delta to the gate wherever they want you in its place.
Short Golf Golf, American 593.
5 left off 1 Durham Bravo, going to ground 1759.
Alpha 1 Bravo over to ground, SkyWest 58.
27 Heavy here, tower runway 287, you want to land your phone and Airbus, short final, travel the park cross runway prior arrival. You do have a lengthy gauge delay that we're aware of. So when you roll out, it'll be a right turn and then forward. And hold short of runway 28 right with me.
Okay, we're to stand. We're clear to land on 28 Center, American 87 Heavy.
Correct, American 87 Heavy. Break rate 5948, runway 22 left. After departure, turn left at 140, clear for takeoff.
147.
American 593, can monitor the other tower frequency now, 1327.
32.7, 593, thanks.
5.0.
250, heading 040, envoy 3606, namaste.
American 47, turn right, heading 320.
Right 320, American 47.
AC 4029, O'Hare County, 2-way right, November 5, line up and wait.
My plate 2 is right at November 5 is 429.
So 6386, Kilo Alpha 19 Alpha, what's your gate? American 47, contact Chicago departure on 125.0.
American 47, good day.
Alpha 19 Alpha Hotel to your gate. 27 on third land and 240 at 13.8.
Third line 27 left, AC 3729.
Go ahead, yes sir. 2159, have a good day.
Alpha on Bravo and 2100, got it. I think it's done.
Section 3684, O'Hare County, 2-way right, November 5, line up and wait.
Level way today, right, November 5, flight 3664.
63, Romeo, cross 4 left, left turn Alpha Hotel, uniform Alpha Bridge.
36, again,
American 2286, runway 28 center, clear to land, caution wake turbulence, speed for Alpha Heavy Jet, wind 230 at 12 gust 18.
2286, clear the land, on to the rest. Gauss 5636.
7692, turn right, heading 040.
Yeah, County 040, Maple 7692.
Flagship 3684, running 2-way right, November 5, clear for takeoff, fighting 270.
I clear for takeoff 2A right, November 5, 270 and ahead of flight 3681.
How's the hold short?
Delta's out of hold short 2A right, American 87 heading.
For departure 7692, see ya.
77, sensible, 87.
Say that again?
15-minute, 15-minute gate hold, American 87.
Correct. Turn right there, Delta Delta, hold short runway 28 right, American 87 heavy.
Loco.
180.
Left 180, AC 45.
222, O'Hare Tower, fighting 270, running 2-way right, November 5, clear for takeoff.
270 on the heading, 28 right, November 5, clip takeoff, United 322.
American 593, O'Hare Tower, cross 22-way right at Golf Golf, hold short at Delta, contact ground point 90 after you cross.
Occurred across the Golf Golf, hold short of Delta, point 9 on the other side, American 593.
American 87 Heavy, O'Hare Tower, hold short of running 2-way right, one more departure, and then for your gate wait, we're going to have you wait on the north side of 2-way right.
That's American 87.
Yes, sir, just hold your position there, hold short of running 2-way right, and American 87 Heavy, after this next departure, we'll get you to the other side, and we're going to have you wait out your gate delay on that side.
American 87, holding short 2A right, copy all.
AC 4029, contact Chicago departure 126.62.
1662, good day.
Flagship 3684, turn right, heading 040.
Right 040, flagship 3684.
United 790, O'Hare Tower, cross 22-way right at Golf Golf, hold short at Delta, contact ground point 90 after you cross.
South 2A right at Golf Golf, short at Delta, and ground United 790.
Flagship 3684, contact Chicago departure 125.0.
United 977, clear direct to Alpha, Delta,
AC 3009, Alpha 7, Bravo.
315, complete Alpha.
636, bucket Alpha 1, turn Bravo, kind of ground on 121.8.
Alpha Bravo, ground 19, 3636.
2A Center, United 953.
American 2286, right turn at Papa 2, turn right again, Papa, hold short of Golf Golf.
Papa 2, Papa, hold short at Golf Golf, American 2286.
I'm going to change that slightly. After you cross, turn right on Lima, and on Lima, hold short of runway 32 left.
Hold short of 2 left, American 87.
The hotel. AC 3809, if I didn't tell you, Alpha 7, Bravo.
27 left, clear land, Skyline 648.
Mike, O'Hare Tower, runway 27 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 27 right, now 180, Julie Lane.
Tango at Romeo, cross runway 4 left and a right turn on Bravo.
610 O'Hare Tower, runway 27 left, clear to land. Wind is 240 at 10 gust, plane 8, falling to 5.5 miles ahead.
Oil land 27 left, Mercury 3610.
Skywest 5706, O'Hare Tower, 28 right, intersection Echo Echo, line up and wait.
Alright, 2 right at Echo Echo, or 28 right at Echo Echo, line up and wait for Scout 5706. We'll just need about a minute and a half.
American 2594, join Zulu and contact ground 124.12. Zulu 2412, American 25. Skywest 6706, fly heading 270, any 28 right at Echo Echo, clear for takeoff.
Alright, 270, 28 right, Echo Echo, clear for takeoff, and we'll just need about another minute.
Skywest 6706, cancel takeoff clearance, hold position at Echo Echo, advise when you're ready to depart.
Alright, we'll hold position at Echo Echo, and we'll advise you to 6706.
Set, runway 28 center, clear to land. Noise available, 230 at 14, clear to land.
28 right,
Clear to land,
111.1.
Got a 953 heavy, right in there at Delta Delta, and hold short of runway 28 right, with me. Go forward there, Papa 1, right at Delta Delta, and hold short at 28 right. We're currently at the gateway.
Okay, we'll hold short at 28 right at Delta Delta, United 953.
Yeah, 953 heavy, affirmative. Deacon-master the tower frequency at 1327, he'll park down the other side.
327, good day.
United 953 heavy O'Hare Tower, I think you just switched over. At Delta Delta, cross runway 28 right, turn right on Lima, and hold short runway 32 left. Traffic holds the position. Turn O'Hare, wind 23014, number 3016. 648 left on runway 22 right, connect ground 121.9. Port officer. 1 and left on it, Charlie, stay with me.
Right on Lima at United 953 F.
Scout 6706, traffic crossing downfield. Are you ready?
Traffic to say we are ready, Scout 5706.
Okay, we'll get you going here in just a moment. American 2286 O'Hare Tower at Golf Golf, cross runway 28 right, and hold short at Delta. Contact ground point 9 after you cross.
Golf Golf cross 28 right, I'll turn at Delta American 23.
6048 right, turn on to Bravo.
Left heading 140, a left turn heading 140, only 28 right at November 5, clear for takeoff.
2 right, November 5, clear for takeoff, heading 140, Skywest 5706.
United 953 heavy, contact ground 121.9.
119, good day, United 953 heavy.
At 928 right at Papa 2, right Papa, hold short Golf Golf, stay at the gate.
Papa, short of Golf Golf, going to Mike.
Mike 2, copy.
2702 at right, November 5, clear for takeoff, Skywest 5007.
4 left turn Alpha, hotel uniform in the Alpha Bridge.
Ready, crossing tap, visual 27 left.
Runway 730 here, Tower, reduce ground first speed. You have the 70 not overtake traffic to following runway 27 left. Clear to land, the 123.014.
Clear to land, we're flowing Spirit 730.
And use the international ramp all the way around. .2286, hold short at Delta, what's the gauge?
27.
1827, good day, 5726.
Cleared to land, runway 28 right, final approach.
Thank you, Mercury 3610, give way to United here with your gauge.
Cleared to land, runway 28 right, final approach speed, United 927.
3610, continue on Bravo, I'm sorry, the gate one more time.
2500.
When you get around to Alpha 6, give way to that United
Tower
Heavy coming off the
215,
gate.
on final, request landing. 215. Cleared to land, runway 14 right.
United Heavy Heavy, come on through the other tower, frequency now 1327.
Cleared to land, runway 14 right, 215.
To right, and then it'll be Kilo off of 19 and Bravo. Seat 4190 via Bravo.
Guys, 5007, turn right heading 320 and contact Chicago departure 125.0.
Right, 320, 250, good day, Scouts 5007.
That was 5865, what was the gate? Okay, he hasn't moved off. Let me, actually he's moving now. So left turn on Alpha Hotel behind this regional here.
The Golf, hold short of Delta, ground 0.9 after you cross.
Cross, 28 Golf, and we'll call other ground at Delta United 920 Heavy.
It's 730, hotel uniform in the Alpha Bridge.
.583 here, tower, runway 27 left, clear to land at 1230 at 14.
Clear to land 27 left, 758.
Where's that? It's 18 there? Thank you. Right or left engine? Okay, you don't want to move for right now?
Approaching decision plane. Minimums.
Approaching 28.
Okay, roger.
Harry, 246, simply.
United 246, O'Hare Tower, wind at 260 at 14, runway 27 right, clear to land.
300.
247,
200. 100.
The 928 heavy kilo Bravo.
30. 20. 10.
United 622, tapped inbound. Yeah, 622, we're here, tower, runway 27 left, clear to land, 1240 at 15. Clear to land, 27 left, United 622.
United Airlines 977, ground control on 121.6.
Triple 75, 83, left at Alpha 1, place in the Northport with me, have a good day.
Alpha Northport, 5.
Count 5049, O'Hare Tower, runway 27 right, clear to land.
27 right, clear on, guys, 5049. O'Hare Tower, 28 right, November 5, clear for takeoff, landing 270.
Sure, right, clip takeoff, heading 270, envoy 3172.
approved as requested.
Sky 5049, could you confirm clear land to Sunrise?
Sky 5049 is clear land, runway 27 right.
Thank you, clear land to Sunrise, Sky 5049.
United 246, join Zulu and contact ground 124.12.
46, W day.
Yeah.
Ground control.
2.
United Airlines 977. Taxi via Mike Bravo Alpha to Terminal 1 Gate Charlie 19er. Mike Bravo Alpha to Terminal 1 Gate Charlie 19er.
6.2, left turn runway 22 right, kind of ground 121.9 off the runway. Have a good day.
Left on TC right, 0.9, see ya, United 627.
Visual.
We're over there. Pleasure 4177, I heard runway 27 left, clear to land at 1240 at 13.
Clear land, pleasure 4177.
On behalf of your entire flight crew, it's been our pleasure serving you this morning. Have a pleasant day.
Tower, Skywest 5033, 8 mile from runway 27 right. Skywest 5033, O'Hare Tower, runway 27 right, clear to land. Clear to land 27 right, Skywest 5033. That was 5049, join Zulu and contact ground 124.12. Zulu is Okay, Brickyard 4333, pass up November 5 and hold short of Echo, Echo advised and ready.
Echo, Echo, short of Echo, Echo, will advise, Brickyard 4333.
Brickyard 3436, O'Hare Tower, you ready to go?
3436, we're ready.
Brickyard 3436, the E170 in front of you is going to pass up November 5. You can line up and wait, runway 28 right, November 5.
Alright, line up and wait 28 right, November 5, Brickyard 3436. Ground control.
Envoy 3728, turn left heading 180 and contact Chicago departure on 126.
Taxi via Hotel Tango 4 Whiskey Echo Alpha Gate Charlie 11 right, Hotel Tango 4 Whiskey Echo Alpha.
6 Roger, Romeo crossing 4 left, turn left and out for the northport. Wind check. Wind at 240 at 12.
Tower United 944 heavy, going short of Yankee on November. See a few minutes, we'll let you know when we're ready.
United 944 heavy advise ready.
Head, runway 27 right, clear to land.
3, 2,
27 right, clear to land, runway 3424. At 728, join Zulu, contact ground 124.12. Join Zulu and ground, United 728 today. Good day.
Turn heading 180, clear for takeoff 28 right, November 5, Brickyard 3436.
Envoy 3364, runway 28 right, November 5, line up and wait.
Line up and wait. Envoy 3364, 28 right.
Tower, American 1995 is approaching taps inbound for 27 left.
American 1995, O'Hare Terry, following traffic short, final runway 27 left, clear to land at 220 at 13.
Clear to land 27 left, American 1995.
United 944, just hold short of Yankee for now and let me know when you're ready.
We'll hold short Yankee, 944.
Envoy 3264, runway 28 right, November 5, wind is 220 at 14, clear for takeoff, turn right heading 040.
Right, 040, clear for takeoff 28 right, November 5, Envoy 3264.
Water Ski 4531, runway 28 right, November 5, line up and wait.
Envoy 28 right, November 5, Water Ski 4531.
Tower, Brickyard 4333, holding short, clear right, Echo, Echo will be ready anytime.
Thank you.
Dallas 5033, join Zulu and contact ground 124.12. Join Zulu, switch down 2412, Dallas 5033.
Tower, Dallas 5640 inside Silver 27 line.
Dallas 5640, O'Hare Tower, runway 27 right, clear to land.
27 right, clear land, Dallas 5640.
Tower 3436, contact departure, good day.
Over to departure 3436, good day.
Tower 4333, RG is rolling, runway 28 right at Echo Echo, line up and wait.
28 right, Echo line up, Fraps 4336.
Water 24531, fly to runway heading, I'll give you turn in the air, 28 right, November 5, clear for takeoff.
We'll pick up to number 5 and go straight out, water 24531. Sir, envoy 3692, approach the tap.
Runway 3692, O'Hare Tower, runway 27 left, clear to land, and 1210 at 14, following traffic, short final.
7 left, clear to land, envoy 3692. Joint Zulu and 2412, envoy 34.
United 93, roger, continue straight ahead, crosswind 4 left, turn right on Bravo, Lima Lima, November, and you can, right now you might have to go Delta 4 Delta, but we'll see if traffic moves downfield.
Dallas 5069, runway 28 right, November 5, line up and wait.
That's right, wait, straight right at November 5, Dallas 5069.
Envoy 3264, 12510, good day.
5.0, envoy 3264, good day.
Water ski 4531, turn left heading 160.
160 heading water ski 4531.
Water ski 4531, contact departure 126.62, good day.
2662 water ski 4531, have a good afternoon.
Bye bye now, Dallas 5069, fly runway heading 28 right, November 5, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 28 right, November 5, Dallas 5069.
Envoy 3627, 28 right, November 5, line up and wait.
I'll say again.
Envoy 3627, 28 right, November 5, line up and wait.
Right, November 5, line up away, I'm at 3627.
May 7, have you turn left on Lima Hole 232 left. Go through the pad, C2 up, line up and wait.
Okay, we'll be ready and angle through the pad, line up and wait 22 left, American 364.
190, Picard 4333.
Yeah, make it a left turn, I'll be less exciting that way.
Okay, left turn 190, Picard 4333.
American 1995 at Bravo, give it to the 777 United.
Yeah, 4333, contact departure, good day.
Departure good day, Picard 4333.
Left at the high speed, where are you parking today?
Now we're going to Lima Gate.
Right, left on the hotel and ground plane 1.9.
Hotel and ground point 9.
Runway 22 left, you're clear for takeoff, turn left on the 140.
Okay, clear for takeoff, heading 140, American 364.
Departure 1252, follow American, when able, 22 up, line up and wait.
Alright, we'll follow American, cross the pad here, and when able, line up wait left. Dallas 5069.
Dallas 5069, contact departure, good day.
947, I hear Terry following traffic on a mile final, runway 27 left, you're clear to land, wind is 220 at 12.
Clear to land,